Hi everyone, today I will discussing about transposing functionated cipher. In cryptography, a transposition cipher, also known as a permu- permutation cipher, is a method of encryption which scrambles the position of characters transposition without changing the characters themselves. In the encryption process, the encryption process relies on the two ciphers we choose, a tran- functionation, and a transposition cipher. We shall look at the two examples to go through some of the different possible combinations. This is the example number 1. First, we shall look at the plain text. A simple example using the keyword text. We shall use the Polybius square with columnar transposition. The first thing we need to do is to create a Polybius grid in the usual way with the keyword. In the example number 2, in the second example, we shall use the Strandling checkerboard and the permutation cipher to encrypt the plain text. To ERR in human to forgive divine. This is using the keyword first to for the checkerboard with the key number 3 and 5 and second for the permutation. Again, we start by generating the functionating grid, this time using the keyword first and the Strandling checkerboard. We get the grid shown, and this gives the intermediate digit step of this number 6518332283154399503651803155338831551533. In the decryption process, to decrypt a ciphertext, we must first use the correct functionation method to get a string of digits. This is then transposed according to the transposition cipher, and finally, the reordered digits are converted back to text using the functionation board. We shall again look at the two examples. This one, we shall decrypt the ciphertext. This text which has been encoded using the Publius square and permutation cipher with a single keyword of jump. Example number 1. We start by converting the ciphertext into a string of digits using the Publius square, we get this number. This one. And in this table, this one, the cipher digits written out in the permutation. This one, we now write out this string of digits in order in a grid of width 4, with the columns number 1 to 4 and the letters of the keyword put in the alphabetical order, as shown to the left. This one. And this one, the grid reordered into the correct key order. When then shuffle the columns around until the keyword is split correctly. This is shown on the right. We then read of the digits in rows from this grid to get. The second example, we shall use the Stranding checkerboard with my Suki transposition. We shall use the keyword battle for the Stranding is Strandling checkerboard and War for the transposition. The key number of the checkerboard are 3 and 7, and the ciphertext is TC, XF, XTF0AA2F, and D. Firstly, we need to add some numeric escape characters to this to get TC, XTF, sign number 0AA, sign number 2LD, 2LD. This one, we start by generating the checkerboard and using this to convert the ciphertext into digits. Doing so get us this number 298877231601164624 carried 30, but the carried at the end indicates we need to ignore the final 0, which gives a complete string of 298877231601162443. And this table, we set out a blank grid with the transposition keyword at the top. Since the ciphertext is 17 characters long and the keyword is 3 letters long, we need to 6 rows in our grid. We fill the columns into one in the numerical order of the letters of the keyword. We get the completed grid to the right. And now, we read of the digits by row to get 1221968128647037, and this is decoded using the checkerboard. The final plaintext thus attack at number 4 p.m. or without the numerical escape attack at 4 p.m. That's all. Thank you.